Hi, hello, welcome back to Culture Bank. It has been a crazy week for me. Unajua shule vile iko ni kuamka, kulala, kukula, kwenda mess, kwenda class, kusoma, upate mwalimu na mwalimu, uchelewe assignment, nini nini, msumbuane kidogo, akufukuze uende nje, upate hujachana nywele, kwambie young man go and chana your hair, akufukuze afanye nini. And now we are back in Culture Bank. At least this is where people come. Make sure you look good, face the camera and say, this is Culture Bank. When I think about having culture Ekegusii and yes, and bank Ekegusii. Korende. In this specific episode, nigo tuoti wotema kumanyanga na Omogusii agwe treat nga Omogusii yari. Nondori ko chikorigere yemangana mangere yaro kyagera nchini mwetenga nikonjando nimetoka Daro. Aje vile class kwanza hizo ma class za 3 hours vile unafika kwa 2.5 hour mark unapata njaa na kugonga vizuri. So, Omogusii is organized, and I like English where it's me, my father, my grandfather, my great-great-grandfather, my great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandfather, and my great-great-great-great-great-great-grandfather. So right before we go into what we're looking at today, nilipata video fulani mzali nitumia on WhatsApp. Take a look. Okay. Now, we're trying to understand the most my great-great-great-grandfather. How is he called in Ekegusii? Yes. Omogusii in Ekegusii. Let me start from these ones. Anko akoroku tatamoke. Auntie anaitwa babamoke. Korende, I was asking someone now, assuming your father is the last born in a family, and in a sense, all these brothers are older than him. Utakuta tatamoke boyo. Yeah, tata, my dad is tata, my mom, tata, oseiso. That's your father. Tata, oseiso. Korende, for young people like me, you call your father tata. Tata kumuruka you. So it's only reteria maskani. Don't joke about that name. And mother, baba, ose nyina, ose nyoko. So nyina na nyoko achia watu wazee. Wetumia baba. And now that we have Kiswahili that is destroying Ekegusii, just mwite mama. Hurts my feelings, but you know that tumie kuliko kuita mama yako nyoko. No. Yes, and something else that I've remembered, no, it is bad to belittle your wife in the presence of your children. Because mtoto anameza msaje, watu buchingo wonene buna nyoko. What is wrong with you? That is your wife. When you are standing before the court, you will say, I, Maangi Maangi, take you, Nakirario Nyanchira, to be my lawfully wedded wife, to love and to hold and blah 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 until death do us part. And then you come to belittle her in the presence of your children. Come on, man. If you know you're a parent and you're watching this and you do that to your wife, what you're doing is wrong. You can put that in the bedroom. Okay, it is good to argue in the presence of your children. Watoto wakuja kuwa kubwa anze kuargue wasema ati no. It is good to argue. It is good to differ in opinions, but it is very important to watch what we say even when we are angry. Not just for the parents, even we children. Unapata mtoto, okay, not all of our parents are rich people, so unapata mtoto amemess up and then I'm like, I did not want to be a useless. I didn't want to be as useless as. So the next word you're going to say as you or as your my father or my mother, and then you find out that you've actually said something that is very, very bad. Let me leave that at that. So that I teach Ekegusii juu nikiendelea hivyo unaweza kasirika bure sana. Alright, Ekegusii Omogusii. Wana nacha kinotebanga tata is my father. Andakoroku iso. Baba is my mother. Andakoroku nyoko ose nyina. Ose mama. Yes, tata is dad. Tata moke is uncle. Baba moke is auntie. But I was trying to explain that if your father is the last born, in essence, all your uncles are elder. So how do you call them tata moke? So I think it will be in order if you call them tata monene. Similar case for your aunts. Baba monene. Korende, I will explain that in a future episode. So usijisumbue sana. Let us look at what we're looking at today. God, umuntu omogotu is an old person. Omusai is a young person. Umwana ni mtoto. Kengwerere is an infant. And they togo treat Kengwerere the same way. O treat Omusai. Omusai is a youth. Nguruchia bamura nchoge kwatia mbara. Yani nguvu za vijana. It's only an elephant. Elephant is enchogu. Nerira chinyare. So, Omoisia is a young man who has not yet undergone circumcision. Umumuro utararuka. Nige saga nebo ego. Ayino moiseke utararuka. Abare, these are initiates. Umumura now is Omoisia warukire. And Omoiseke is ege sagane kiarukire. So Omoisia is an initiated young man and Omoiseke is an initiated young woman. And Omogusii ngochakera nche buna Maangi natemwe kwa chini nche nche buna omuntu akwibora omwana oibora omwochokoro oibora omwana oibora omwochokoro oria oibora egechembene keibora egechongino keibora rikongoria reibora omuntu. It is nice because my dad explained this in a different episode. No, not a different episode. You can just search it on YouTube. Imandikwa Pastor Maangi explains. Ekegusii something. Yeah. So omuntu akoibora omwana omochokoro omwana omochokoro oria egechembene egechongino rikongoria omuntu, and then the cycle continues. Yeah, I think my dad's video is also nice because he used real people to explain it. Unaweza iangalia, like I said, it's on YouTube. Bono kwenda juu nchi buno omuntu juu ni tata juu yake ni sokoro, juu ya sokoro ni tata, juu ya tata ni sokoro tari oyo oria. Yes, no, omuntu tata sokoro tata alafu sokoro oria. Yes, and hivyo tigantebe nga omwana bw'omwocho omwana bw'omwochokoro n'omwana owo. Omwana bw'omwochokoro n'omwana owo. And then iso ya sokoro yao ntata. Iso ya sokoro yao ntata. Weangalia, it is true. So the one last thing I feel like I'm about to leave out is how I identify myself using how do I say mimi ni Maangi wa Maangi. You know, it's like how kakalenda kona Arab Pluto, Arab Daniel Arab Moi. I think that means Daniel Arab, son of Moi. No. Nchino mwano Maangi. So, and my name is Maangi. So, Nchenkoroku, Maangi or Maangi. No, the article O is used for names that are, how do I put this? Names that are starting with a consonant. So, Mongare or Busire, Chaneti or Nyangau. You see, like O goes with, and the next name starts with a consonant. Now, for the vowels, let's say Mongare Bokongo. Josvat Woviso, like Woviso, and is used for names that are starting with vowels. So, this has been Culture Bank, and my name is Maangi Maangi. We were trying to explain Omogusii, and like in English, we use great to explain genealogies. A genealogist Ekegusii no area. Genealogies ni chin area. Yes, and I think that is it. Those who have been watching on IG, God bless you. Keep coming over to see what I've been doing and what has been going on Culture Bank. And those who are joining from YouTube, karibu sana, and God bless you as well. This has been it. Like I said, my name is Maangi, and this is Culture Bank. See you next week. If you had a very bad week, a very bad day, I pray and hope that tomorrow will be a better day. If your week was really bad, I just hope that the next week will be better. Mine was also bad in its own ways. At least we get to have a point where we share. So if there's something you want to learn about Ekegusii, please leave it in the comment section on YouTube, and those on IG, please just send me a message and I will try get back to you. Like I said, I'm also a student, so itabidi nitoke Daro and then niingie online or maliza saa ino ndo niingie online, but either way I'll try get back to you and make sure that what we want to learn in AKUC we get to learn it. That has been it. This is Culture Bank AKUC. See you in the next episode, or rather, see you next week.